everybody, today I am taking the sirloin tip roast that I picked up and I'm going to be cutting it up into cubes for skewers for I think 2 meals, maybe 3. It depends on how many skewers I get. Roast I paid $11.15, so 880 kilograms, so that was $3.99 a pound. And so you can see it's about the size of 2 hands, 1, 2. So I'd say that's probably about 1 meal. Probably 2, maybe 3, but probably 2. Just so we have lots of meat. So I will show you it all cut up and then I'll show you what I'm going to do with them. Beef, and I'm making some Asian beef kebabs, and I'm going to make some marinated steak kebabs with this. I'm going to make just 2 meals. So you roll the bag over so you don't get the stuff where you seal it. And then I'm just taking handfuls of the beef and putting them into each bag so it's roughly even. So you're not always getting the parts with the fat. And this way, when I have the marinade in here, the beef will defrost and continue marinating. So it will even tenderize them more. And then all you have to do is cut up onions, mushrooms, peppers, or pineapple or tomatoes, and skewer them on skewers. Bake them in the oven or on the barbecue. So there we have it. So on the marinated steak kebabs, it calls for garlic. And I'm going to put a mixture of ginger and garlic, because I like that kind of mixture. Also it calls for lemon juice. I'm going to use 3 packets of the lime, because I really like the flavor of lime with the steak on the kebab. So I'm putting that in there. If you don't have lime juice, use lemon juice. And then it calls for some Dijon mustard. Take off the lid. There we go. And calls for Worcestershire sauce. Olive oil, and some soy sauce. Put a bit of Scotch bonnet pepper, Caribbean hot pepper sauce, and some steak spice, and some red wine vinegar. I'm just going to put some sugar in there. And then I'm going to mix this up. It's all mixed up. I'll just put that in the freezer. For the Asian one, we're going to put some garlic and ginger paste, or freshly ground garlic or ginger, or dried garlic and ginger. And for this one, I have this wasabi lime mustard, Dijon mustard. We're not big on it as a mustard, but it would taste great in a marinade. So, you don't have to add this. You could just add regular Dijon and some olive oil. And since it's Asian, I'm going to add some sriracha hot sauce as my hot sauce. Sorry, sriracha. Calls for sugar. And sesame oil. And some soy sauce. And there we have the Asian flavored ones. So these ones you can bake or barbecue. Mix them with onions and peppers and tomatoes. You could put like pieces of pineapple with them, would taste really nice. Mushrooms. And same with these. So two different, one piece of meat, two different types of flavors. Now these will just go straight into the freezer, ready for grilling at a later date. If you like these freezer meal ideas, please click like, share, and subscribe. It's just easy things to marinate your meat and then serve it with a side of pasta or potatoes or rice or just vegetables. You could have this as a full meal, taking as little or as much of the meat on a skewer with whatever vegetables your family will like. Do it with roasted potatoes too. So please give it a like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye, friends!